This little black knob promises to transform your manual driving experience, but can a simple shift knob really make that much of a difference? Let's find out. We're looking at the Koi Pond Type R style 5-speed manual universal gear shift knob from Amazing Auto. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. It's CNC machined aluminum, and it has a nice heft to it, weighing in at 135 grams. That weight is actually a key feature, as it's designed to improve the accuracy and smoothness of your shifts, especially in 5-speed manual transmissions. Installation was surprisingly straightforward. It comes with 4 metal adapters: M8X125, M10X125, M10X15, and M12X125, which means it's compatible with a huge range of manual transmission vehicles. They even mention specific models like Mazda, Tacoma, SD, Nismo, and Honda Accord, Subaru, so chances are, if you have a manual car, this will fit. Just screw off your old knob, pick the right adapter, screw it on, and then screw on the new Koi Pond knob. Easy peasy. But how does it feel? The ergonomic, contoured design is genuinely comfortable. It fits nicely in the palm, and during my drives, I noticed a definite reduction in hand fatigue, especially on longer journeys. It just feels more natural to grip than many stock shift knobs. And the looks. This black aluminum finish is sleek and modern. It adds a sporty, premium touch to the interior without being over the top. It's a subtle but effective upgrade that makes the cabin feel a bit more special. Performance-wise, the added weight really does seem to make a difference. Shifts feel more deliberate, more precise. There's less slop, and you get a more satisfying engagement with each gear change. It's not a night and day transformation, but it's a noticeable improvement that makes driving more enjoyable. For anyone who loves the feel of a manual transmission, these small improvements add up. So is the Amazing Auto Koi Pond Shift knob worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, well-built upgrade that enhances the feel of your manual car, this is definitely one to consider. It offers a premium feel, improved ergonomics, and a smoother shifting experience, all wrapped up in a sleek package. It's a solid choice for a driver who appreciates the finer details.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.